Next topic is decimal to any number conversion. Here any number is decimal number is conversion is either decimal to binary or decimal to octal or decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, for example, considering the one example, the decimal number is 60, then convert binary radix is 2 and octal radix is 8. These are the radix numbers and hexa is 16. Okay, here decimal to binary conversion. How to convert the decimal to binary? Here binary number is 2. So perform the LCM operation. 16, 2 8s 0, 2 4s remainder 0, 2 2s remainder 0, 2 1s remainder 0. Okay, here we are writing the bottom to top, that is 1 0 1 2 3 4 zeros. Okay, this is the binary number. Therefore the decimal number is 60, that is the decimal number is, the conversion is binary. Okay, in 16.02 is there, this is the second one. 16.02, this is the decimal number. Then convert binary. How to convert? Here 16 is 1 4 zeros. Okay, 16, the number is 1 4 zeros and these are point, next one is 2 digits, that is the 0 2. In left side 16 is considered 0 0.02. Okay, here the conversion is decimal to binary. Then this digit is multiplying with 2. Okay, that is the 0.02 into 2, that is 0.04. Okay, and here the point 1 is there, so point 0.04, so 0 is right down here. Okay, again you perform the 0.04 into 2. Okay, that is 0.08. Here also 0 is right down here, and next 0.08 into 2, that is the 0.16. So write down here, the 0 is right down here. Okay, and next 0.16 into 2, that is the 0.02 is the 3.2, 0.32. Here also 0 is right down here. Okay, this is 0 is repeated. Okay, so write down the top to bottom. Okay, that is 0 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is point. Here 16 binary number is 1 4 zeros, 1 1 2 3 4 zeros. This is the conversion. Therefore 16.02 is the decimal number, then converts, this is the binary number. Okay, and next see the decimal to octal number. In octal, the second one is the octal, decimal to octal. Here the decimal number is again 16, this is the decimal number, then convert the octal. Okay, octal radix is 8. Here you can do the decimal to any conversion, that is a LCM operation, that is 8 is LCM with 16, 8 to 16 0 2 0. Okay, this is less than 8. 2 is less than 8. That is the, here you write down the top to bottom. Here 16 is 20. This is the octal number. Okay, therefore 16 is decimal number, then convert the octal is to 0. Okay, and next 16.02 is this is the decimal number, then convert the octal. Okay, in point wise, here 16 is, here you got the 20, and next 16 is considering 0 and 02 is there. So write down 02 and multiplying with, here the conversion is decimal to octal. Okay, here decimal to octal, then multiplying with 8, that is the 0.02 into 8, that is the 0.16. Okay, here 0 is taken, 0 write down here. Okay, and next 0.16 into 8, that is the, here 0.16, here this is the 1.28. Here 1 is written here, 1. Again here 1 is considering 0.28 into 8. Okay, that is the number is 2.02. So you write down here 2 is, write down here 2. Here point, here you considering the point, so this is written as top to bottom, that is the number is 0, 1, 2. Okay, here the point 16.02, this is a 02 value. Okay, and 16 binary number is in octal, sorry, in 16 octal number is 20. Okay, this is the octal number. Therefore the decimal number is 16.02 equal to, this is the decimal number, then convert the octal number is 20012. This is the octal number. Okay, and next is the decimal to hexadecimal. And next conversion is decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, this is the binary, decimal to binary, decimal to binary conversion. Okay, coming to the decimal to hexadecimal, here decimal number is 144. Again we LCM with 16, 1 with LCM with 144, that is the 16 nines 144 is 0. Okay, here the written as, this is 9 is less than 16, so you can stop here, then you write the top to bottom, that is the 90 is the hexadecimal. Okay, in hexadecimal the number representation is 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so here the in between the 0 to 9 and A to F only, you can get the result is either 0 to 9 or A to F only. Okay, and next problem is 144.01. This is the decimal number, then convert the hexa. You already got the 144, hexa number is 90. Okay, in 144 the number is, hexa number is 90. Okay, this is the hexa, this is the decimal, and you find out the here 144 is considered 0.01, then multiplying with 16 because you convert the conversion is decimal to hexadecimal. So you multiplying the 16, that is 0.16. Okay, here 0 is written as the here, and again 0.16 into 16, that is the 2.56. Okay, here 2 is written as here. Okay, and next here 2 is considered 0. 0.56 into 16, that is the value is, got the number is 8.96. Here 8 is written as here. Okay, and here you write down the top to bottom. Okay, this number is 0.01. The decimal number is 0 to 8. Okay, finally, therefore, here you considering the number is 144.01. This is the decimal number. Then you got the hexadecimal. 144 hexadecimal number is 90. Here 01, the hexadecimal number is 0 to 8. This is the hexadecimal. Okay, this is the overall about the decimal to any number, either decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. Okay.